Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Mom Tries Saving Abusive Son from Police Backfires Instantly.
Officers responded to a call of a domestic dispute.
The Jeep. Okay.
But
So what happened?
he went out drinking with his family.
Okay.
And he just got home. I went outside and knocked on his window, and I'd seen that he was texting a girl saying, "I'll meet you right now." Okay, so I'm like, "So you're cheating on me?" Okay, you can ask my kids. They saw him shoving me down out here. So yeah. I come inside and I shut the door, and he kicks the door literally in. So now I don't have a door.
Yeah, it's like shattered.
Glass and shit, and throwing shit around in here. And honestly, I'm just tired of this shit. I can't.
Yeah.
I can't do this shit anymore. And if you come in, you can actually see where the door is actually off the where he kicked it through. Like all this shit. Like
Oh yeah, the door frame's busted out.
yeah. Like I can't have this
He
shit
lives
around
here,
my
right?
Yes.
Okay. So unfortunately, as far as the damaged property goes, we can't really do much about that. That's between you and him civilly.
We have to get
Can I not use this against him in court?
Oh no, absolutely. 100%. Yeah. You should. I mean.
Because this is every.
If I was you, I would go to the women's shelter and fill out an OP order right now. So just real quick, tell me, I mean, I know you said you went out there and talked to him about
well, basically,
what was going on. So what led up to the, like, he got out of the car? Like, tell me what happened after you knocked on the window and talked to him.
Okay, I called him and asked him if he was coming home. Because, like, here lately, he's been going out a lot with his family. So I was like, okay, whatever, you know. Have fun. So I call him and I'm like, "Hey, are you gonna be home soon?" And he's like, "Yeah." So he's outside listening to music really loud. So I go out there and I'm like making sure he's okay, you know. And I read through the window him texting a girl saying he would meet her anytime and all this other bullshit. So I knock on the window and I'm like, "So you're fucking on me, like for real? You know, I'm here with our kids and stuff." And you're like, "I mean, like, are you serious?" Okay, so I come inside because he.
Couple problems, and I'm not a parent, so it is what it is, but this is just my opinion. One, I think the kids should be in the room for this. I don't think they should be right there. That's just personally, you know. If the officer has questions for them, then, you know, because they seen some stuff, but this right here, all of the kids just being right there, I would tell, you know, the oldest to take the other ones, go in the room. You know, they shouldn't be here for this. And then two, I don't like all the cursing around the kids. Personally, that's just, I don't like all of it. You know, I feel like it's grown folks' business. You know, and that's that. You know, kids witness things and stuff like that, but it's grown folks' business. That's what my parents used to tell me. You a child, stay in a child's place. You know, grown folks talking. You know, that's how it goes. So I think the kids should be up in the room. You know, the oldest one, you know, maybe the oldest one may know a little bit more information, whatever, but that's his mama and stuff. But overall, yeah, I think the oldest one should take the kids in the room and she talk to the cops. And all that cursing around the kids is just personal opinion, you know. Some may disagree, but that's what I think.
Like gets out and like shoves me down out there, and the kids are all
Shoves
watching.
you down now. Just
Like he gets out of the car and like shoves.
two hands shove you.
Yes, like you can ask them. This is often. This happens. Well, I come running inside because they're all like out on the porch, and I'm like, "Get the f inside," you know, like he is coming after me. This isn't the first time. I'm sure y'all have had records of him.
Well, I know we've been here one other time, but I don't remember.
Well, he runs up here because I shut and locked the door, and he kicks the door in and like comes over here and shoves me up against this wall. Yeah. And the kids are like, "Please stop," you know. And he runs over here and starts like punching the.
So he shoved you like into that corner?
And he also grabbed this chair and
threw it across the room.
Yeah.
And that didn't hit
Well, he threw it here and then threw it across the room.
Yeah, like
But that didn't hit anybody?
No.
No. And it hit the table right here.
Hit the table. Well, luckily it didn't break the table.
Yeah.
Let me go get the statement form for you, and
All
then
right.
we'll get you filling that
All
out.
right, thank you. Hey, will y'all please get in here?
Yeah, it's kind of chilly out there.
Are you talking?
So tell me.
What do you want to know?
Tell me what happened.
Fucking bust out my glass and came over here.
What?
Bust out my front door glass. Mine, which is mine,
Okay.
and came over here.
That's all you did? Was
Yeah.
busted the glass and came over here?
And yeah, and talk shit. I mean, never touched anybody. Never physically touched anything. Kids, we're not.
Why'd you bust the glass?
She pissed me off.
How'd she do that?
Because you're actually in her mouth.
What was she saying?
Everything and other.
So you drove over here?
Nope.
I went and got him.
Yep.
Well, I mean, at this time you're going to be put under arrest for domestic battery
Why?
because she's got a statement, and then the kids have a statement that is exactly.
No, I'm not going to jail.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Bro.
Fight me. Don't fight me. You're
I'll
going
tell
to
you right now, I'm not going to.
tased.
Just
You're
stop.
about to get tased.
I'll tell you right now, I'm not going to.
You are going to go.
I'm not.
Don't
Put your hands
You're going
behind
to
your
get
back.
tased.
Don't fight. Stop.
Put your hands
You're going
behind
to
your
get
back.
tased.
Stop. Just
Put your hands
stop.
behind your back.
Why? Just
You
stop.
need to get out of the
Get out of the
way
way before you go with it.
because you'll go for obstruction.
Get out of the way.
You can go to jail too.
Go.
Yeah, she sidestepped. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. You know how that go. Yeah. You better electric slide your ass up out of here. Your son putting his hands on the ladies, man. Yeah, slide. Better moonwalk your ass up out of here. Yeah. That's part of the problem. You probably been coddling them. No, man. He's an emotional wreck. He doesn't have his emotions in check. That's why he does things like this. When he don't get his way or whatever, think people ain't listening to him, he starts pouting and throwing a hissy fit. No, man. Get your ass about the way, man. Before we have to get you together. Look at this.
You are going to go.
I'm not.
Don't.
Put
Don't
your hands
fight.
behind
You're
your
going to get
back.
tased.
Don't fight. Stop.
Put your hands
You're going
behind
to
your
get
back.
tased.
Stop. Don't. Just
Put your hands
stop.
behind your back.
Why? Just
You
stop.
need to get out of the
Get out of the
way
way before you go with it.
because you'll go for obstruction.
Get out of the way.
You can go to jail too.
Go. Don't
He
fight.
did not do nothing.
You
That
don't know.
is
You
my-
weren't there.
That is my property.
I haven't touched any domestic batteries.
I'm going to need one more time.
Get out of the way or you're going to go with it. Move.
Give me your hand.
Put your
Give me
hands
your
behind
hand.
your back. Put
Give
your
me
hands behind
your
your back.
hands.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Sydney, stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
If you will stop,
Get away from us now.
just
Put your
stop.
hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't.
Roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over.
Get away. You're going next. Look, bud. You're going to go too.
County if
you
can?
Go for it. Send us some more units. We got some more people to take.
Just stop.
Put your hand behind
Give me
your
your
back.
other hand.
He's trying.
No, he's not.
Put your hand behind your back.
He's
You're
trying.
going to go to jail too if you don't stop. You got right in our damn way. It's called obstruction.
That's my son.
And
And
I'm
the
well
point
aware.
of it is, that's my son.
you got in our way.
I did not get in your way.
You got right
You stood right in the
That's your son. Congratulations. You raised an abuser. Great.
between.
And I moved
You know what?
And then you stepped right back in.
because you guys. Oh my
Go back
God.
inside. You want to take her too?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're under arrest too. Don't go inside.
I mean, I'll come in and get you. That's fine.
Oh, don't run now. Don't run now.
Well, let's do a report. Get a warrant for her if she don't come out here. Come out here. You're under arrest.
We're trying to take another
Oh
one.
my God.
You're under arrest for obstructing.
I did not do shit.
You did, and it's all on camera. Step out here.
I'm right here.
Okay, step out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God. Are you?
No.
You're
Yeah.
under arrest for obstructing.
I tried to tell
Don't
you.
get in our way.
I didn't. He was hurt.
He was not hurt.
Will you please loosen this?
When we get to the car,
Stop.
I will loosen them when we get to the car. I promise you that. You won't go into the car with them that tight. Don't fight.
He's.
You know I have asthma.
Okay.
So therefore
Well, then quit fighting.
over here.
I have asthma.
37, go with Cindy EMS. This individual was tased twice.
Oh my God. Are you?
I got a beautiful question.
This is.
Where was his rights at on this deal? You're just
Yeah.
taking her word, not his.
Yeah.
No,
So-
I mean, I'm being civilized.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Hey,
Yeah, no, you're not being hateful.
go ahead
Yeah.
and put her in my car.
He's good. He's
I'm
good. Just
done.
watch her.
I'm done.
So here's how.
I hear that works.
Tell her
That's what I want to know. How's it work?
So she gave a written statement that she's going to sign a sworn statement to.
Hey, tell him.
They're just trying to keep her away because she keeps trying to get to them.
Okay.
Stop fighting! I'll tase you too.
Watch him.
He's been super fun. Stop fighting, Sydney. It's over at this point. You're just making it worse.
Who the fuck?
Females fighting us.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm trying.
You want to get her in my
Listen, Pops is hype. Pops gonna sleep good tonight, boy. Finally, some peace and quiet. You know, woo, dealing with these two. Oh yeah, the son act just like the mama. The dad, the only one with a little bit of common sense here. You know, he's asking reasonable questions. You know what? You know, how do you just take one side? You know, he's trying to get to the bottom of it, and there's nothing wrong with that. But he's doing it in a calm manner. You know, it's no problem. The mom, on the other hand, yeah, he must have spent a lot of time with his mama, because you could tell.
car? Or somebody's car.
Oh my God. Will you fucking quit? I got to.
I'm trying to keep you from getting hurt.
I'm not getting hurt. Would you?
Well, now you got a resisting charge on top of the obstruction.
I'm not either. I'm not
Don't walk.
resisting. I was walking to my
Just stay
backyard.
right there.
I'm going to say, let me have her. You know, I'll get her to cool down.
No, she's going to jail.
Oh, fine. Okay, I got you.
Would you?
She got right on his way, and now she's
I've got
Here,
my
roll over to your side. Pull your feet up.
Okay.
I can calm her down.
Would you please? These are hurting my wrists. They are cutting my.
Well, if you stop fighting, they
I'm
won't
not
hurt as
fighting.
bad.
I was just walking.
Pull away from me again. You're gonna
I
go to
was
the ground
walking.
again.
I
Let's
was.
go. Huh? Stop it.
Steve, this is hurting.
Stop fighting, and it will not hurt
Oh
you.
bullshit! This is cutting my wrist. Listen, let go. This is hurting my wrist. And I'm serious.
Okay, I told you we will loosen them up, and then you start fighting.
No, I did not.
Well, the deputies think otherwise.
Well, I did not. Oh God,
Okay.
please,
Okay,
please.
stop. Calm down. I will loosen them.
It's hurting.
I know. Let me get my key
Oh
out.
my God.
Calm down.
It is fucking hurting.
I can fit my fingers in there.
No, you.
Yes, I can. I can fit 2 fingers in there.
Quit pulling away. It would stop
It
hurting.
hurts.
I can fit
that
2
wrist.
fingers. Okay. Let me readjust your hand then.
I'm trying to get my wrist. Ooh.
Listen to me. I promise you, if you sit
Would
down
you
and
please
calm
let
down,
go of my wrist?
then I will
I
loosen
will
them for you.
stand right here.
You sit in the car.
You. Tell these on my back.
You don't get to make demands after the way you're acting.
Oh, because I have health issues.
What
Yeah.
health issues?
Okay.
You should have thought of that before you started fighting.
Police officer
See,
want to me in jail anyways.
Stop it. You already knew what was going to happen if she filed a complaint.
No, there's no in the most here. Period. I don't give a anything. Now if I punched her, I understand. I ain't do shit to any one of them on the police force.
Alright, so now I gotta put your legs under, okay?
The man was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest, while his mother was charged with obstruction and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today.
Unbelievable. Yeah, it's just apple don't fall far from the tree. You can clearly see it. You know, I thought she was just gonna slide over like she did before and keep it calm, but nope. She wouldn't be so close to her son. Well, guess what? You guys both can go to jail together. Good job. Good freaking job. But hey, kudos to the pop, man. You know, at least he got a night of good rest. No chaos. He'll see them in the morning. That's how I go. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.